Welcome to Mora FC. Here is what it is. Just look at how this beautiful, unique, beautiful pocket. Very, very simple and easy to do this pocket. I'm going to give you all the tips, the tricks, anything that you need achieving this beautiful pocket. Well explained, nothing is hidden and nothing is hiding. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Ask questions, whatever it is what it is. So this is my pattern of the pocket that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 4 inches by 4 inches. And we're going to cut this one 3 times bigger than the size of the pocket. 3 times bigger than the size of the pocket, as you can see. Fold in 1 inch, and I'm going to fold another 1 inch to it like that. It is what it is, and I'm going to iron the top. This part you can decide to hem it, you can decide to top stitch it, you can decide to put an hemming gum, visible gum. You just 2-side visible gum. You just have to put it there, then you iron it. And voila, then go. Like I said, you can hem it or put a visible hemming gum 2 sides and just put it there and iron it, or you can top stitch it normally how we top stitch, or another way of top stitching it. So let's get to the sewing machine and let's continue. If you want to learn how to hem your trouser, your top, anything that you want to hem, I'm going to put a link in the description box below and how to learn how to hem. 2 different ways how to hem. So you can choose each one that you prefer. There are two ways of hemming, and you can choose one of it. So this is the wrong side. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Don't go draw this pocket on the right side of the pocket. I'm drawing this. I'm sketching this on the wrong side of the fabric. So we're going to put one at the right side of the fabric that you are working on, the right side of top that you are working on it. Going to put one there like that. You make sure that they have a nice space at the top, the bottom, the sides by side, so that the pocket will be in the middle. I'm checking and see that I have enough space around so that the pocket is inside the middle. So I'm going to top stitch around it all, go around. When you are working with the curve, I always say that take your time when you are working with the curve. Don't rush, just take your time and get the perfect work done. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I post videos every Sunday, sometimes on Monday, or maybe on Saturday. So it's important to click on notification bell, so anytime I post a video, you will be updated that I go. Mora FC has posted a new video. It is what it is. So make sure you leave 1/2 inch when cutting. So you make a notch at this part. You make a notches at the angle. Come on, guys, give me a thumbs up. It is what it is. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And I don't know what you're waiting for. To be honest, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you want to see before you subscribe. You give me a thumbs up, or show love, my brothers, show my love, my family, my sisters, show love. So you can see this is how it's going to be. We're going to flip everything to the wrong side. Remember, we put this fabric on the right side of it. So after sewing around the pocket, we're going to flip it to the wrong side. Iron it, go and iron it. I'm going to do that and come back, so wait for me. Yep, yeah, it is what it is. So I've ironed it. You can see how perfect. So this is the right side of the pocket. This is how it's supposed to be, at the right side of the fabric that you are working on it, at the top. The dress that you are working on it, the top that you are working on it. So this is the right side. So you take the two parts. Remember, we top stitch this one. So look at the way I'm doing it. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna sew just the 3 lines. This is the first line, second line, and my third line, just to hold it down. You can decide to do this, can decide not to do it. If you can put it on each other and go and sew, capiche? It is what it is. Mora FC. So this is how you're gonna be. So you're gonna put the top that you're working on it, you know, whatever you are working on it, just have to put it on it like this. Make sure you're setting everything correctly. Please subscribe, like and share, and comment. Ask questions if you want to ask questions. If something important, speak it out, you know, in the comment below. I'll respond to that. Give me a thumbs up. It is what it is. Mora FC. Mora. All this one for you guys. So we're gonna top stitch 1/2 inch away from the tip, 1/2 inch away from the edge. You can make it 1/4 away from the tip, or you can decide to sew at the tip of it, you know, if you don't want that style. As you are working, as you are checking, see that the pocket line perfectly. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Please do subscribe, like and share, and comment. Click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my video, any of my tutorial. Like I said, I may post it on Sunday or Saturday or even Monday, so it's important you click on notification bell so that you're gonna get a message. Cling! Or I have posted a new video. So we're done. We just have to iron it. You can see how beautiful the pocket has formed. This is how the pocket is going to be. Very simple and easy as ABC. Simple as ABC. DEFG. It is what it is. Mora FC. So you just have to iron it. Give it a press. Just iron it and everything gonna be smooth and nice and it is. We are not done yet. Just check this one out as well. Trim some parts off just like that and get the serger. If you have a serger, then you just work on the tip like that and just capiche? It is what it is. Mora FC. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for always staying tuned, watching every video that I post. I will appreciate your love, respect. God bless you, everybody. God bless everybody. Those who have subscribed to my channel and those who have not subscribed yet. Everything is a time. I believe in that. So if you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. You are waiting for the time. Are you waiting for the time? What time are you waiting? So you can see how beautiful it is. God bless you all. It's Mora FC. It is.